Dear student of class 10, today I will solve remaining question of electricity. So question number 12, several electric bulb designed to be used on a 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across two wires 220 volt line if maximum allowable current 5 ampere? So now given 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 power of each lamp P is equal to 10 watt and supply electric supply V is equal to 220 volt. So now resistance, therefore resistance of each lamp denoted by small r is equal to V square by R. So now V square by P. So now P is equal to V square by R. Power P is equal to V square by R. So resistance of each lamp, let small r is equal to V square by P. So V square, so 220 into 220 square upon P, 10 watt. So 220 into 220 divided by 10. So 0 cancel out, multiply by this we get 4840. So R is equal to 4840 ohms. Now potential, now V is equal to 220 volt and I is equal to, current I is equal to 5 ampere. So therefore resistance of circuit R is equal to V by I. So since by Ohm's law V is equal to I R. So now R is equal to V upon I. So R is equal to V for 220 divided by I for 5. So this is 44 ohm. Let n be number of n bulb, let n bulb connected in parallel, So n is equal to R by R. So now R by R means 4840 upon R for 44. So now 110, n is equal to 110 bulb. So n is equal to 110 bulb connected in 110 bulb. Question number 30. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has B resistance coil A, B, each of 24 ohm resistance which may be used separately, in series and parallel. What are current in 3 cases? So now first when coil A or B connected in separately the resistance given resistance of coils, let RS is equal to 24 volt ohm, 24 ohm, or RA and RB is equal to 24 ohm. Given there are two coils, coil A, coil B, resistance of coil A, each of the resistance 24, resistance of A wire 24, resistance of B wire 24, and supply V is equal to 220 volt. So current I is equal to V by R, RA. So V 220 volt, RA for 24. So divide by this, so get 9.16 ampere. So I is equal to 9.2 ampere. So first part separately use, which may be used in separately, coil A, B connected separately, then resistance of A wire 24 ohm, resistance of B wire 24, supply potential 220 volt. So I is equal to V by RA. So same way I is equal to V upon RB. So 22 upon RB for 24 is equal to 9.16 is equal to 9.2 ampere. So these are current same flow, resistance of wire A and resistance of wire B. when coils are connected in series, then given Ra is equal 24 ohm and Rb is equal to 24 ohm, and equivalent resistance equivalent resistance, so Rs is equal to Ra plus Rb. Ra is equal to Rb सीरीज में सभी रेजिस्टेंस आपस में जुड़ जाते हैं. सो Rs इज इक्वल टू Ra फॉर 24 ओम प्लस 24 ओम इज इक्वल टू 48 ओम. Rs series resistance of equivalent resistance are in series. Rs is equal to 48 ohm. V is equal to 220 volt. So Is in series में current Is is equal to current in series Is is equal to V by Rs. So V for 220 volt upon 48 is equal to, so calculate it, so 4.58 ampere. So this is 4.6 ampere. So Is is equal to 4.6 ampere in series. Current flow in series 4.6 ampere. And also third part, when coils A and B are connected in parallel, then equivalent resistance Rp R, so R given R A is equal to 24 ohm and Rb is equal to 24 ohm. So 1 upon Rp, parallel resistance equivalence, so 1 upon Ra plus 1 upon Rb. So 1 upon Ra for 24 plus 1 upon 24. So 1 upon Rp. 1 upon Rp is equal to, so 24, 1 plus 1. So 2 upon, so 24. So Rp, 1 upon Rp is equal to 2 upon 24. So this is 1 by 12. So 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 12. So Rp is equal to 12 ohm. And V is equal to 220 volt supply. So Ip is equal to V by Rp is equal to V for 220 divided by 12 is equal to, calculate it, so 18.33 so ampere. So 18.3 ampere. So I P is equal to current flow in parallel, I is equal to 18.3 ampere. Question number 14. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. First, a 6 volt battery is in series with first 1 ohm resistance and 2 ohm resistor. So now given V is equal to 6 volt and resistance R, let R1 is equal to 1 ohm and R2 is equal to 2 ohm. When resistance connected in series, then equivalent resistance RS is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, 1 ohm plus 2 ohm, this is 3 ohm. So RS is equal to total equivalent resistance RS is equal to 3 ohm and potential given V is equal to 6 volt. So since I is equal to, by Ohm's law, V is equal to I is equal to V by R. V for 6 upon R for 3, so this is 2. I is equal to 2 ampere. Power, since power in 2 ohm resistance, power in 2 ohm resistance, so P is equal to I square R. So power P is equal to I square R. P is equal to I for 2 and resistance 2 ohm. So R is equal to 2 ohm. So this is 2 n square. I given I is equal to, now calculate it, I is equal to 2 ampere. So P is equal to 4 into 2 square into 2, 4. So P is equal to 8 watt. So in power to resistor, पावर इनटू रेजिस्टेंस में पावर जो है 8 वाट. अगेन सप्लाई, सेकेंड पार्ट, सप्लाई V is equal to 4 volt. So this is 4 volt and resistance connected in parallel. Resistance when resistance connected in parallel. When resistance is connected parallel, so potential is constant and current drop. Then current will be dropped will be distributed so resistance R is equal to 2 ohm. So I is equal to V by R. So V4 upon R2. So this is 2 ampere. So I in parallel in 2 ohm. So this is 2 ohm. This is 2 ohm. So PS is equal to I square R. So I for 2 square into 2, this is 4 into 2, this is 8 watt. This is since PS is equal to 8 watt and PS is equal to 8 watt. So ratio PS upon P is equal to, so power in series and power in parallel. So 8 upon 8, this is 1. So 1:1. So PS upon P is equal to 1:1. सीरीज पैरेलल में रेशियो 1 का. That's all. Thank you.